Okay, everyone. So I'm just going to quickly show you how to find online books in our library website. So first thing to do is type in wintec.mycohort.co.nz into your search bar, and you should get this page come up. If you've logged in previously, it should remember you through cookies, and that'll hopefully allow you to access your search history as well. Today we're just going to search for a biochemistry textbook that I know is on there, and the key thing really to remember whilst you're working off-site is to really look for these ebooks, and I'll show you how you can spot those as well. So I'm going to put McLaren and Morton in. These are key texts from SPHP 618, and this is the book here. So Biochemistry for Spot and Exercise Metabolism by Don McLaren and James Morton. You can see here it says ebook available via ProQuest. So I'm going to click on this, and that brings up the ProQuest page, which is ebook central. You'll see you're logged in as Wintec here, and then what I can do is click read online. Yes, I can download a full PDF chapter, can't download the full book, or I can download 10% of the book as well as a PDF too. But mainly I'd recommend that you read it online because there's some useful tools in there too. So this brings up a contents page. We can also just look at the cover, or have this contents page, or we'll look at annotations as well, and I'll show you how to do that quickly. We can then search within the book as well, but I think it's maybe more powerful just to go chapter by chapter typically. So we can check our contents page. This book is broken up into sort of parts, I guess. So it's got part 1, which is basic muscle physiology and ethics, part 2, fundamentals of sport and exercise biochemistry, and then 3, metabolic regulation in sport and exercise before we get into references, etc. If I click on let's take a look at part 1. So if I click on part 1, it takes me to part 1. If I click on this little downwards arrow here, I can get into some of these subheadings. And again, if I click on these little down arrows, I can get quite far down. So say I want to revise some acid and base balance, I'm going to click here. And it's going to take me straight to section 3.6, which is acid and base balance that I've seen here. So sometimes we might need to just scroll through and have a look. But say I want to highlight some key information. So an acid is a compound that when dissolved in water is able to donate a hydrogen ion. There we go. I'm going to click this and I can highlight it, these 3 different colours. I can copy that text, or I can annotate it. So I might say something like useful revision for exam, and then click off. And that should be there. Oh, sorry, no, it's not that. So don't click off like that. Let's try again. Useful revision. Done. And that's about all there is to it.